Hello silly bakers, let's make protein carrot bran muffins. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and you want to line your muffin tin with 10 silicone liners or paper liners, but you do need to spray the paper liners. You're going to grab a large bowl and we are going to add 2 eggs, or 2 flax eggs will work as well. These are large eggs. 1/4 cup of coconut sugar or any brown sugar substitute. 1/4 cup of blackstrap molasses, really important for bran muffins. 1/3 cup of unsweetened applesauce. 3/4 cup of milk. Any milk will do. This is a combination of cashew and soy. And we want 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And we're just going to give the wet ingredients a good mix. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. Those leavening agents will definitely react with the apple cider vinegar once you start stirring. So we're just going to give everything a really good mix. And now it's time for the dry ingredients. We're going to add 1 cup of whole wheat flour or whole wheat pastry flour. Either will work. 1 cup of wheat bran. And I'm going to use 1/2 cup of protein powder. This is unflavored. You can also use vanilla, or you could just replace it with more flour. And we're going to give that a good mix. So I need to add 2 more ingredients here. We need to add the butter and we need to add the grated carrots. So I don't want to mix this too much. I'm going to add 1 cup of grated carrots, and this is 1 packed cup. And we're just going to stir that through gently. And our final ingredient is melted butter. This is 1/3 cup of melted butter. You could also use coconut oil or vegan butter. Just make sure it's a little cooled before you add it. And we're just going to fold that through. Don't overmix here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click your notification bell. We're going to grab our muffin tray, and an ice cream scoop is always best for the job here, and we're going to fill our 10 liners. You could add some walnuts, about 1/2 cup. You could add some raisins if you like, again 1/2 cup. So add-ins are completely up to you. These are something my husband loves, and he loves these just as is. And you want to go about 3/4 of the way up the liner. We're ready to bake 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes till a toothpick comes out clean. And they look fantastic. Enjoy our protein carrot Bran muffins. Each muffin has approximately 200 calories, 10 grams of protein, and over 5 grams of fiber. They taste absolutely delicious.